Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. What if I told you that your Amazon Fire Stick has a hidden superpower you are totally missing out on? I am talking about an amazing new app that lets you watch brand new movies and hit TV shows completely free. No subscriptions, no hidden fees, just endless entertainment. Today, I am giving you a quick step-by-step installation guide that takes just a few minutes. Check this out because this is a total game changer for your living room setup. You are watching TechVibes, your go-to spot for making your tech work for you. Now, before we dive into this free movie setup, you need to make sure your streaming is completely safe. I highly recommend using NordVPN to run these apps smoothly on your device without any lag or buffering. It keeps your data hidden and stops your internet provider from slowing down your connection. I left the official NordVPN installation link right below in the description and the pinned comments, so grab that deal right now. So, why do we need to be careful when streaming free movies? Well, free streaming apps often fetch links from unverified public servers. Your internet service provider can see exactly what you are watching and might throttle your speeds to a crawl. Plus, hackers on public networks can easily peek into your connection if you leave it unprotected. That is why setting things up safely is an absolute necessity. Step 1. Let us prep your Fire Stick so it can safely accept third-party applications. Grab your remote and head over to the gear icon on the far right of your home screen to open your settings menu. Scroll down and click on the tile that says My Fire TV. Next, click on Developer Options. If you do not see Developer Options, click on About and press the center button on your remote 7 times until it says you are a developer. Now, look for the option that says Apps from Unknown Sources and flip that switch to ON. This is a total no-brainer because it unlocks the true potential of your hardware. Step 2. Now we need to install our shield, which is NordVPN. Go back to your home screen, click on the Find button, and then click Search. Type in NordVPN using the on-screen keyboard. Click on the official blue logo when it pops up, hit Download, and let it install. Once it is done, open the app, log in with your account, and hit the Quick Connect button. This completely encrypts your entire internet traffic instantly. Step 3. We need a trusted tool to fetch our free movie apps safely. Head back to the search bar on your Fire Stick home screen and type in Downloader. Look for the orange icon, click Download, and open it up. Make sure to hit Allow when it asks for permission to access your device storage so it can save files. Step 4. Now we are going to use a special shortcut to grab a premier free movie app called Cinema APK. Inside the Downloader app, click on the URL search box. Type in the shortcut code 28907. Double-check that number. Hit Go. The app will automatically redirect you to a safe, trusted download repository. Step 5. Once the page loads, scroll down until you see the latest version of Cinema APK. Click on the download link next to it. Wait a few seconds for the file to download completely to your device. A prompt will pop up asking if you want to install the software. Click Install at the bottom right and then click Done when it finishes. Step 6. Let us clean up your storage so your Fire Stick stays super snappy. Downloader will ask if you want to delete the installation file. Click Delete and then click Delete one more time. This frees up precious space on your device so your videos never stutter. Now press the home button on your remote, go to your apps list, and open your brand new movie app, while your VPN runs in the background. Here is a quick bonus pro tip to keep your streaming lightning fast and buffer free. Go to your Fire Stick network settings and change your DNS server settings from automatic to manual. Enter DNS 8.8.8.8 for your primary server. This connects you straight to Google servers, which speeds up your link scraping times instantly. Also, always make sure your Fire Stick is connected to a 5 GHz network rather than a 2.4 GHz network for maximum streaming bandwidth. If you face any difficulty during the setup, just drop a comment down below. I will personally reply to your comment within 1 hour to help you fix it. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to TechVibes for more awesome tech secrets. Stream smart, stay safe, and I will catch you guys in the next video.